you can't name these 10 fruits, you need to start a diet. First one, let's go. Apple. Second one. Banana. Third one. Orange. If you got the first 3 right, like the video. Fourth one. Grapes. Fifth one. Strawberry. Send this video to a friend who needs to start a diet. Sixth one. Watermelon. Seventh one. Pineapple. Eighth one. Mango. Ninth one. Kiwi. Are you ready for the last question? Don't forget to follow and comment your score to be on the weekly leaderboard of the top performers. Durian. Comment your score and follow us for more.